My name is Victor. I am from Vancouver. I work with the boutique investment bank there, and my role is to introduce projects that are of interest to the Chinese companies. And I can't really say which project it is in Eritrea for a confidential reason at this point. But yes, Eritrea is an area that Chinese companies have an interest in, and it's a jurisdiction that they're very comfortable with. And that's why I'm here. And the Chinese company is here right now at this moment as well. And they're trying to work out a deal together that could see the Chinese company financing a large part of the construction, and that will push the mine into production.
Okay, so you are here.
Yeah.
And you have attended the conference.
Yeah.
Tell me what you've managed to learn from it.
Yeah. The conference, Eritrea is a small country, and I think anybody who is somebody in the Eritrean mining business is here at the conference. And so it's good to be here and get a comprehensive view of how the industry is doing in Eritrea.